जी अब आपके सामने एक छोटा सा ड्रामा है फॉरगिवनेस यानी माफ करना। हमारे माशरे में हम माफ करना छोड़ चुके हैं, जिसकी वजह से भाई भाई में लड़ाई, बाप बेटे में लड़ाई, माँ बेटी में तनाव खिंचाव इसीलिए हो रहा है कि हम माफ करने को हम छोटा समझते हैं। मेरे भाई दोस्तों, हम क्यों माफ करें? वो तो मेरे से छोटी है, वो तो मेरे से छोटा है, वो क्यों नहीं माफी मांग रहा है? ऐसा नहीं है। इसी ड्रामे को आप सबके सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं सात कमर, निहार अंजुम और सना कमरी। ये ड्रामा इंग्लिश में है।
Good evening to all of you. My name is Sana Kamari.
My name is Ali.
My name is Salim.
Salim, look what I got. I have been dying for this car. My father brought this for me yesterday.
MashaAllah, you look so happy for getting what you wanted. I would love to have one like that too.
Don't worry, Simon. Let's play with it together. We will make slope so that the car will jump fast.
That is good idea.
Wow, look at it go down. It is so fast. Salim, you try now.
Give a big push and the truck roll down first and wheel to one side and brake it after hitting a rock.
Oh, you broke my new truck.
I am sorry, Ali. You know, I did not mean to do it. I am really very sorry. Please forgive me.
I know you do not mean to do it. I forgive you.
You thanks. You are such a nice friend.
My dad tells me that is very important to forgive each other. Otherwise, we would not have any friend left and you.
Besides, how can we expect Allah to forgive us when we ourselves do not forgive each other? Jazakallah khair. I am so lucky to have a friend like you. The Prophet once said that Allah does not show mercy to one who does not show mercy to others. We must always be loving and kind. One way to show mercy is to be forgiving. Thank you.
थैंक यू फॉर दिस ड्रामा। आप सब में से